Well, hi again. This is Scoutmaster Clemens with Troop 727. Another episode of How to Start a Fire. This one's called the Rudiger Role. Basically, it's done with ashes and a cotton ball. In case you were wondering, did you know that cotton balls are rolled up? So what you need to do is find a cotton ball. We unroll it. And I like to take about 2/3 of it and use it. So about the width of my hand. And the rest of it, I discard because I don't need that. And basically what that does, it allows you to, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom down a little bit, because you're going to make this device with friction and it's going to burn. So I also use ash from past fires. So what you do is you sprinkle a little bit of ash in it, and then you rub this between two pieces of wood. So basically what I can do is I can sprinkle some ash on here, and you can be very liberal because this is very forgiving. And we get some ash about 2/3 of the way on there. One thing I don't like big honking chunks in there. So once we get that done, I like to take it, and we're going to roll it up real tight. So just sit there and roll it, and roll it, and roll it, rolling all that ash inside there. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Get a good roll. Now we got some ash left over, so I'm just going to roll over the top of that and pick up as much as I possibly can. Just applying pressure. It looks like a cocoon. So basically, I got this cocoon-looking thing, like you see, and you can take 4 or 5 of these, make them, put them in your Altoids tin, take them on the backpack trips with you, and you always get one of these ready to go. So then what we do is just 2 pieces of wood. It could be, you could split a log in half, you could take 2 rocks, 2 flat pieces, because we're trying to create friction. So basically, I'm going to roll it some more. I want to get it nice and solid and tight. So I haven't even started making my fire yet. I just want this thing to be really super tight. Remember, I just took ash and the problems with recording on a phone, I just got cut off. So I just took ash and a cotton ball. And somebody just tried to call me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start my fire. So basically what I get it going on here, and I'm just rolling it, friction. Now it's just, I'm putting a little bit of pressure on here, getting it going. And then I'm going to really get it going and put a lot more pressure, keeping it in the wood. See, I got a hot spot right there. See that smoke coming out? So I'm going to just kind of work it a little bit. Now I have an ember. Place that inside my tinder bundle, just like we do every other thing. And we just give it a little air, a little oxygen. And now we have fire. Making fire's fun. So anyway, I think that's the end of our lessons here. So hope you enjoyed all the different ways to make fire, and I look forward to seeing you on the trail.